New fuel filter. Goes in with the fuel lines. New fuel lines. These are my fuel lines. The blue lines are my fuel lines. All the way back. New battery. I got 2 new carburetors in there. And I got a new flush valve right here. And I got it tuned up. Not bad. Just waiting to get it home. Hit the water. Like I said, I got a little cosmetic work to do on it. But other than that, I'm very happy. Very happy. Alright. Hit your brakes. There you go. That's cool. LEDs look good. She getting there. A little bit of cosmetic work. I got new carbs. Got to get new of these. That's no big deal.